Today, I'll be showing how to make this delicious and perfect chicken pie. Let's get to it. You'll be needing 250 grams of flour. If you don't have a measuring scale, you will need a cup, half cup and quarter cup of flour. The next thing to do is to sieve your flour to get rid of any dirt or ants or weevil in your flour. The next ingredient we'll be needing is cold margarine. I'm using 125 grams of margarine. So you're going to dice this into cubes and pour it into your flour. Now you're going to place your hand into your flour and fluff this together with the margarine. You can also replace your margarine with 125 grams of water. Make sure to fluff this together till there are no clumps of margarine in your flour. The next thing to add is salt. You can add 2 pinch of salt. Now you're going to add chilled water, quarter cup of chilled water. To get the perfect chicken pie, you need to follow these measurements rightly. Follow it rightly. So after adding your chilled water, the next thing to do now is to combine together. Combine, don't knead your dough. Combine this flour together. This is what the dough will look like after combining together. Now you can set this aside and place this inside the fridge while you go ahead to prepare your filling. For the chicken pie filling, you'll be needing chicken breast. You add some onions, you add your seasoning cube, you add salt, you add water to cook, then you can add any spice of your choice. I'm adding thyme for this recipe. Cover this up and allow this cook for 10 to 15 minutes. Cook until your chicken is soft. After your chicken is soft, remove it from the fire, place it in a plate and allow it to cool down. After it cools down, use your hand to flake your chicken like I'm doing now. This is what my chicken flakes look like after flaking. So now let's make the chicken pie filling proper. Add some vegetable oil into a pan. Allow it to heat up a bit. Add your onions and stir this together. Fry this for about a minute and add in your chicken flakes. Stir fry this for 2 to 3 minutes. After stir frying, add your diced bell pepper. I will list the ingredients in the description box. After stir frying, allow this to heat up a bit for just 1 minute. Now it's time to add other ingredients. I'm adding Irish potato, diced Irish potato. I'm adding diced carrots. Now I'm also going to stir fry this for a minute. After stir frying, I'm going to add my other ingredients like my seasoning cube, the salt. I'll add chili pepper just to give it a little bit of spiciness. Now give this a good stir. Stir everything together. Taste to see if your seasoning and salt is okay. If it is not okay, you can add more at this point. After done stir frying, you can now add enough water to cook the potato, carrots soft. Cover this up and cook for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, the potato and the carrot is now soft. I'll go ahead to use a fork to mash this together. I'll mash this together till everything looks soft and creamy. Now this is what we have after I have mashed this. I'm going to turn off the heat and allow this cool. Now let's prepare our dough. I'm going to cut the dough into two and roll it flat. After rolling the dough flat, I'm going to cut the dough into the shape I want. Now I'm going to add some filling into it and close this up. Use your hand to press the tip. Now I'm going to use this vegetable cutter to shape the tip. So this is what it looks like. It's looking yummy already. You can also use your fork to close up the tip, just like this. After doing all that, we'll need egg wash. So break an egg into a bowl, whisk this together and brush the egg wash on your uncooked pie. Use a fork to pierce the dough just to create some space to allow it to bake well. Bake this for 15 to 20 minutes. After baking for 15 minutes, this is the end result of the chicken pie. Very soft, very juicy on the inside. It was very flaky. So make sure you follow this measurement rightly and you get a perfect chicken pie. Thank you so much for watching. Till I come your way next time, stay safe and stay blessed. Bye.